Good morning children, how are you? I hope you all are feeling good. Today we will discuss my turn 5. Choose any adjective from the box and make sentences by comparing the sets of 3 words. Your sentences should have positive, comparative and superlative forms of the chosen adjectives. So, they have already given the adjectives in this box. What they are asking means we have to write a positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. 3 degrees should be come using these adjectives. Using these adjectives we have to write positive degree, superlative degree, comparative degree in one sentence. In one sentence we have to write. My turn 5. My turn 5. Fourth lesson. Scuba diving. Scuba diving experience. So in scuba diving experience, my turn 5. So what they are asked? Using these adjectives, we have to write positive, comparative and superlative degree in one sentence. So already A1 had given to you. Now B1 I am writing. A car is smaller than a truck. A car is smaller than a truck. Smaller than a truck, but a cycle is the smallest of the three. Is the smallest of the three. Smallest of the three. Second one, a branch is thicker than a stem. But the trunk is the thickest of the three. Is the thickest of the three. D1. Coffee is healthier than tea. Than tea. But fruit juice is healthiest of the three. Even lotus is more beautiful than beautiful than jasmine. Than jasmine. But rose is the most beautiful. Is the most beautiful. Most beautiful. Most beautiful. F1. Mouse is busier than a cat. Busier than a cat. But an ant is busiest of the three. Busiest of the three. Parrot is better than a crow. Is better than a crow. But peacock is the best. So we are using 3 degrees mark. In one sentence we are using 3 degrees. Small positive degree, comparative degree and the superlative degree. 3 degrees we are using in a one sentence. H1. Story is more interesting. Story is more interesting. Is more interesting than an essay. But poem is the most interesting. Most interesting. My cousin is fitter than my brother. But I am the fittest. But I am the fittest. J1. My stool is cleaner than my sofa. sofa. But my chair is the cleanest. Is the cleanest. So we completed the my turn 5. So what they asked me is, they have given the adjectives in the box, help box they given, and they asked we have to write 3 degrees we have to use. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree in a one sentence. Taking a help of the box, what they given means adjectives they given. With the help of the box, we have to write 3 degrees we have to write in a one sentence. So I written in the board. A car is smaller than a truck, but a cycle is the smallest of the 3. A branch is thicker than a stem, but the trunk is the thickest of the 3. Coffee is healthier than tea, but fruit juice is healthiest of the 3. Lotus is more beautiful than jasmine, but rose is the most beautiful. Mouse is busier than a cat, but an ant is busiest of the 3. Parrot is better than a crow, but peacock is the best. Story is more interesting than an essay, but poem is the most interesting. My cousin is fitter than my brother. But I am the fittest. My stool is cleaner than my sofa, but my chair is cleanest. My chair is the cleanest. So we used in one sentence 3 degrees: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree using the adjectives. I hope you all understand about the comparison of degree. You have any doubt, we discuss in a Zoom class. Thank you. Have a nice day.